Hey, hey, hey. So we're up to part 4G, I believe, of grade 6 hardest math problems in the show your work section. Check out the link there. I have dozens of videos, including multiple choice versions. Let's jump right into this. While I'm trying to bring this up, please like and subscribe. Yeah. Okay, Tom wants to order tickets online so that he and 3 of his friends, so just to be clear, there's 4 people here, can go together to a water park. Awesome. They don't want to invite me? The cost of a ticket is $16 per person. There is also a $2.50 one-time service fee for ordering them. So there's 2 things going on here. Write an expression in terms of N that it represents the cost of ordering N tickets online. So in some years where I'm sourcing this from, they don't give this expression prompt. And you're supposed to pick up from write an expression that that's what they're asking for. So remember, I can come up with x equals 5 plus 3x or something. That's an equation because there's an equal sign. An expression is only 5 plus 3x. So this is an equation. That's not what they're looking for. This is an expression. That is what they're looking for. So let's try to make sense of it. N is the number of tickets being ordered. Okay, it seems to me that we're going to order a ticket per person. It tells us right here the cost of the ticket is $16 per person. So we basically have 16 times the number of people. And then it says here there is a one-time fee, no matter how many people you have, of $2.50. Okay, I don't necessarily need that extra trailing zero, but I can. Same thing here. I could have used 16.00. It's not really required. So that's our expression. We're mapping the English into the math. And run a little experiment. If I had one student, one person, I would have $16 plus a $2.50, I got $18.50. Would have 10 people, I would have $160 plus the 2, so I'd have $162.50. If I had nobody, right, then I would still have the one-time fee. All right, so that seems to be right. So then it says, don't skip this, that you're not done with it. Use your expression to find the total cost for 4 people. So if I had 16N plus 250 means we're going to get 16 times 4 plus 250. All of you should automatically know how to do 16 times 4. If not, you can go on the side and do it. 6 times 4 is 24. Try my 2, 4, 5, 6. We get 64. Another way to do it is to notice that if I have 16 times 4, that 4 is the same as 2 times 2. Okay? That means 16 times 2, we're going to double it and get 32. We're going to double it another time and get 64. Okay? So there's ways to do this that are not too bad. So we're going to get 64 plus 250 equals 6650. Okay? Run it through, read the question again, and see if any of that makes sense. Okay? And in this case, we want to add the 0 back because it's in dollars and cents. So we know I'm going to write $66.5. Okay, we're going to check that the answer is supposed to be in dollars by looking at the answer. Yep, total cost is that. Okay, let's just read it through, double check that you made the thing. 4 tickets. So I pointed out earlier that it was Tom and 3 of his friends. That was 4. Okay, that's not necessarily this here. That's not what they're asking you here. We don't know that the 4 tickets being ordered anymore are these same 4 people mentioned up here. Okay, there's no twist to the question that indicates to us anything else is going on. And the last thought I want to say is with the 16 times 4 stuff, don't necessarily go on the side and do 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16. I mean, if you need to do that, go ahead and do it. But that's tedious and error prone. Wait a second, I just screwed up my screen. that's tedious and error prone. You should still get to 64, but this is trying to avoid the multiplication table. Okay, you might argue, wait, you just told me to do that. This is just a handy optimization that you can go through of anything by multiplying by 4, even multiplying by 8. If I did 16 times 8, I already know the 4, I get 128, okay? And that's a number you should probably know anyway. 16 times 8 is 128, right? So go beyond 10 by 10, go beyond 12 by 12 in a lot of cases. A lot of the teen numbers come up a lot, like 15, 16, 17, 18 times 3, 4, 5. Basically, those come up a lot. And anything you know otherwise can be whatever. Okay, what else could we say about this? So this was about mapping the English to the math. This is definitely about algebra. It turns out that indirectly, that this is actually the equation of a line. This takes the y equals mx plus b form, okay, where we have the 16n being, that's the x in that case, plus the 250. And we can actually go and graph this now. So if we had, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, our initial price would be the 250 right there. And if I had 1, I would be all the way up here at the 18, right? So we would end up getting a line that looks like that. That would be our equation, okay? And it starts out, the b is the y-intercept, and this is our slope for those who are unclear of it. So if you want to think of some of these problems in different ways, that's one way to do it. Let's see, what else can we say here? That might be it. So this is succinct, to the point. You could theoretically solve this without going through the algebra. However, they're asking you to write the expression. Okay, that's a prompt. There should really be a colon here or something that says, what's the expression? But it says it right here, write the expression. Technically, you could have put it down there and probably still gotten the credit. It depends on your teacher, depends on the exam, whatever the case may be. All right, guys, please like, please subscribe. You can go to the GregsTutoringNYC.com/hardest-math for some more questions and links to dozens and dozens of other videos pertaining to these hardest math problem series. I did a multiple choice version, a show you work version. You need to contact me. My email's at the bottom, GregsTutoringNYC@gmail.com. Peace.